Go, trying different stuff out. All right, show an individual 3D scan here. Turn off rotary. Here we go. Yeah, just like that. It's a single scan. Now we're going to go ahead and turn on the rotary. Let her rip. It's going to take a little while. Just doing a demonstration. I probably 3D scanned this housing like a million times. It's spray painted white. And perfect for getting stuff dialed in. It's going to take up 24 scans and all the way around. Got the little white chunks of clay on the turntable to help with alignment. Yeah. Super exciting. Super exciting. Yep. Don't really need this many scans to, well, I could do less captures all the way around and still get pretty good scan data, but for this is fine. Let's see here. Not quite sure how many left. How many more captures are left?
Oh yeah, some fun.
Always having fun back here. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. All the way around. Getting closer. Probably should have done a few less captures. It's all good. There we go. Processing scans. I'll show you how this looks. It's going through about how long it takes to process each scan. Pretty decent hardware. Helps. Tried using this on my old desktop and it took a lot longer than a second to process each scan. Okay, aligning. Just take a little bit, it's okay. RGBs, gotta have RGBs. Otherwise, what's the point? And moving scans, combining. Come on. It's taking a little longer than I'd like because the large amount of scans that I took. Combining all the meshes together. Software I'm using, FlexScan3D. All right. I had one mesh, but there she is. Not too bad. A little bit of artifacts right there, a little bit of lines. That sucks. That's okay. I think I know what happened. Since I think this piece moved while it was on the turntable, rocked a little bit. Oh well. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Not watertight, obviously. This thing captures quite a bit of detail. It's pretty nuts, I think. It's pretty impressive. This is on par with the very expensive industrial 3D scanners. Not bad for something that I put together myself, but honestly, what makes it all work together is the software. And Thanks to Polyga for that.